In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can AI become a music producer? Truth you need to know. We're going to look at how AI fits into real production work and how you can use it to move faster without losing your creative control. Think of this as a practical tour of what's possible right now, plus some tips to get clean, usable results. Let's start with melodies and chords. Modern AI tools like Suno, Udio, Iva, SoundDraw, and BandLab's AI can generate melodic ideas, chord progressions, full instrumentals, and even vocals on demand. The key is to guide them well. Set a clear genre, mood, tempo, and key, and describe the vibe you want. Once you get an idea you like, export the MIDI or stems and bring them into your DAW so you can edit timing, swap instruments, and personalize the harmony. Treat AI like an infinite sketchbook, great for breaking writer's block, but always add your taste, whether that's reharmonizing, changing voicings, or refining the arrangement. Next, drums. AI can spit out trap hi-hats, drill grooves, EDM drops, and lo-fi patterns in seconds. Speed is the superpower here, but feel is where you come in. Use generated patterns as a starting point, then dial in groove by nudging hits off the grid, adjusting velocity for dynamics, and layering your favorite kicks and snares. Set the BPM and style you want up front, audition a few variations, and don't be afraid to mix and match sections to build a more human evolving beat. On to mixing and mastering. Tools like Landar, Isotope Ozone, and BandLab Mastering can balance levels, apply EQ, add compression, and push loudness to a competitive place automatically. A good workflow is to get a rough mix, leave a little headroom, run an AI pass, then critically listen and tweak. Compare against a reference track you admire, check on headphones and speakers, and adjust anything the AI overdid. Maybe the low end is too heavy or the vocal needs a touch more presence. AI gets you 70 to 90% there quickly. Your judgment finishes the job. Finally, AI is powerful for making loop kits and samples. You can generate MIDI files for chord stabs or bass lines, one-shots like kicks and snares, lush textures, and unique sound design elements. Curate hard. Name files with key and BPM, discard anything noisy or redundant, and resample to make sounds truly yours. Use these pieces to build a consistent sonic palette for your track. So, can AI become a music producer? It can produce, but you are the producer. Use AI to draft ideas, shape rhythm, speed up polish, and fill your sample crate. Then let your vision decide what stays.